Today I've got to change the anti-roll bar link arm on my Transit. As usual, I sprayed all the threads with penetrating oil. The top nut come off quite easy. As for the bottom nut, I couldn't break it, snap it or move it. It was absolutely solid. So I decided to get the grinder out. I cut the head off the nut first and then put a flappy disc on the grinder to get it as thin as possible without touching the anti-roll bar. And then I put a nick across the centre with a cutting disc and then chiselled it off. This is where I knocked the tripod with my hand and I didn't realise. Sorry about that. The new link arm was a lot better. It had got square edges on it so you can get a spanner on it, much better than inserting an Allen key or a star drive. Then it was just a case of stuffing it through the hole and bolting it back on. I love easy jobs. I don't know about you, but nice little easy jobs like this always give me a sense of satisfaction. Well, that's it for this one. Hope you've enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.